We got some closets right here in the front. As soon as you walk in, that's the door right behind us. Intercom and the bedroom. So it's carpeted throughout. Two good size windows right there. More closet space. Okay. Closets right, or windows, I should say, right here. Bathroom, toilet, shower, tub combo, your sink and vanity. Kitchen, really nice. Eat-in space right over there. Lots of counter space here. Stove, gas stove, oven, sink. All right, more counter space, more cabinets, nice big fridge. Your egress and balcony. And you can't see, but there's some houses, backyards, tree right there in front, but that's your own balcony right there. And an eat-in kitchen. So get some light going. And that's it.